can you say 2 days?
This is Milord.
2 days no. You can continue up to whole night, but I will not afford to give you 2 days.
This channel does not promote or encourage any harmful or illegal activities. All contents provided are strictly for educational and informational purposes only.
Need not argue.
Hmm.
Do one thing. You give your notes, guideline. What will be the precise or rather the outline of your argument?
Very well.
Give it to me so that I can go through it.
Milord, I have prepared one which is almost ready. I can hand it up tomorrow. Today I may have to correct a bit, but it is there with me
For you, I adjourn it for the today.
Milord, I'll tell you, Milord, over the weekend, Milord, I have studied at least 10 hours.
Not this matter alone.
Only this matter. I have not touched any other brief from last Friday evening till today morning. That is what I say, Milord.
Mr. Toto, if you defer, I will not anyone to argue before you.
Kindly, Milord, take it up, Milord, after your lordship returns, Milord, after the vacation. But I'll tell you, lordship,
I will get thereafter. Please appreciate
Milord,
that.
I'll tell you, lordship, constitutional questions are involved. Constitutional questions are involved.
Of course, that is why I want to
Yes.
hear you.
Yes, but I can give my outline. It is ready with me. If required, Milord, I'll not argue any other matter today. I'll finish it and give it to your lordship's officer by 4:30 today, because it's in the soft form with me. Some corrections here and there may be required. I can hand it up today or Milord tomorrow 10:30. If your lordship so desires, I can hand it up today at 4:30.
Because just after the vacation, I will be in circuit and I will be returning on 10th.
Keep it on 10th, 11th, Milord, wherever, Milord. I'll keep myself free for 2 days for this matter.
But don't stretch it. You
No,
give
no,
it in writing. Please time
Milord, my bullet,
time bound.
yes,
Time bound.
give me 2 days.
How can you say 2 days?
This is, Milord, such a big, nothing on facts. I will hardly take 10 minutes on facts.
2 days no. You can continue up to whole night, but I will not afford to give you 2 days. One day you can afford to.
Very well, very
But
well.
I want
But
to-
if your lordship feels that,
No,
Milord,
it is a time slotted matter. I wanted to hear you for a definite time.
yes,
You
yes.
may choose, but if it's a whole of the day or 2 days, you know the
Milord,
difficulty
after I argue, Milord, if your lordship feels that it should be made a time-bound
of
matter,
course, that I want to. That I want to. But whether it is it requires 2 days or not, then if it is 2 days, you are ready to argue for whole night. I'm ready.
no, I cannot physically
No,
do
no.
that.
You have to complete it.
Physically,
Go in,
fix
go.
it on a day, Milord. Give me
I'm
two halves.
exceeding.
Give me 2 halves. 2 days, second half.
Are you saying that your point is so piercing? I require 2 days. I may require 5 minutes.
No, no,
Give you writing.
I don't think this would require 5 minutes.
This
Because the point has been raised that nothing has gone to the governor. Whether, Milord, the state cabinet's decision or the state cabinet's conclusions are binding or not. Second is, the order which is under challenge does not say that it is in the name of the governor. What is the effect of that? These are mere constitutional questions.
of course.
Yes, I am not on, Milord, the point of locus. Locus, I'll take 5 minutes, not more than that.
No, you have already argued on that point.
Yes.
I have heard it on that
Yes,
point.
yes.
Lucas,
Yes,
maintainability, all gone.
just for recollection, 5 minutes, then Milord, I have to address these points. But I have to place, Milord, Samsher Singh in extenso. Because these are all submissions which have been made contrary to, Milord, the 7 judges bench. And 7 judges bench, Samsher Singh, Milord, had overruled Sardari Lal's case. The arguments which are being made are all based on the findings in Sardari Lal's case.
Very well, but give it your outline your
Yes, today, Milord, if your lordship requires by 4:30 today or latest by 10:30 tomorrow.
Can I expect it your writing?
Mine is ready, but as has fallen from the court, after the Advocate General, we will submit. Because as far as this case is concerned, we will be adopting whatever the.
No, you may have some independent.
Yes, then
I will to shorten the time. so that I can go through it and
Yes, yes, your lordship
understand
may be
what is-
prepared. I quite appreciate. I quite appreciate.
Yes, give it. I'm fixing on 10th.
Yes.
Or 11th, immediately on my
Yes, yes.
return. And all private respondents, they are also given
Yes.
to. But I will not allow it to be
Because
straight
for me,
all later.
for me, Millard, by the court's time, 2 second halves, I'll be over. From 2 o'clock to 4:30 or 3, even if there are 3:30, I'll finish.
But give me that first.
Your lordship may take it tomorrow at 10:30 or today at 4:30, whichever.
Anyone from the added respondent here present
Bhattacharya
today?
was here, I think he's.
One of the written notes of the added respondent I have received.
No, my learned friend was to circulate his notes
Yes,
by
yes.
Friday.
Yes,
We have
yes.
not received.
No, my lord. I think Dr. Patra, my lord, is not properly instructed. I have served both through online as well as physical mode to Supriya Dubey.
এই তো, কোথায় গেলি রে?
Your Lordship,
So the private
Your
respondents
Lordship,
are.
I appear for the private respondent number
Submit
2082.
your report.
Lordship, I am also
Written
appearing.
notes.
Hand it over to you. I'm not taking it. Give it.
I have
So
not
that I
received
can go
copies
through it. I
also.
can exploit my vacation very sweetly.
আমি নাম
Lordship, I am appearing for 72207. We will file our submission.
You just caption it, which respondent for whom you are appearing, and give it to me so that I can go through it and circulate with to everyone.
May I give it here and now?
Yes. Give it here and now.
My lord, copy may be given.
Circulate your copies to petitioner
Given.
or all
One
appearing
I have
parties. All appearing parties.
Ashish
My
Kumar
lord, this
Chowdhury.
is my
Ashish Kumar
list of judgments and not very brief notes, not the written notes of others, as it felt.
Have you not given it?
হ্যাঁ, এটা আমি
Alert.
তোমাকে পরে নিচ্ছি।
জুনিয়র কি হবে সঙ্গে?
নেই তো এখন। আমি নিয়ে
এগুলো
নিচ্ছি
please লিখে নাও, এগুলো বুঝে নাও, তুমি একটা একটা করে
দিয়েছি
দাও
আপনি।
আমাকে।
না পেয়েছি।
Why don't you mention for whom, what is this is see that notes on behalf of the West Bengal sent, oh, this commission.
Yes.
কেন আশিস চৌধুরী লিখলেন? এটা তো কমিশন। কি ভুলভাল করেন এগুলো, বুঝুন এটা
Number
no, you need not. It is easy to identify.
এই
না
অভিনব
রাখুন,
কোথায়?
রাখুন পরপর গোছান, খালি স্টেটেডটা give it by end of the or tomorrow morning. It will be taken up on 11th or 10th. কবে আসছি আমি? 10:30.
I finish with it.
No.
But
Then 2 to 4:30 you have to say. Second half will be finishing. 2 p.m. ওরা fix করবে।
My lord, for the
হ্যাঁ,
whole
করে
day, the
দিচ্ছি।
matter will be taken.
সেকেন্ড হাফ,
না বললো হোল ডেতে সেটাই
সেকেন্ড হাফ।
Whole day? I don't
My
understand.
lord, I was of the impression that your lordship will taken up at 10:30 for the whole day.
Whole day?
Oh, second half.
4:30।
দুটো থেকে সাড়ে
This 4:30 it will be concluded. Then the SSC from 4:30 to 5:30. And thereafter private respondents from 5:30 to onwards. But get ready. This will be the schedule. I'm telling you.
There should be a domestic injunction on you.
Mr. Dotto, you
I'll
know.
arrange for that. Work after 4:30.
Work after 4. That we will share someday. Puja is coming. Saptami day. Those golden days.
Yes. I was sharing one of those experience at Dhiman Boshak's.
That is what and what is your difficulty, that I shared with Mr. Bandyopadhyay, senior Mr. Bandyopadhyay, in one of his understand the urgency your junior mentioned.
Well, school and old age.
No. Your junior mentioned the matter. The eviction proceeding is on. You are challenging the notice. You have filed your show cause. I don't think during this vacation there will be.
This is a notice, Millard, which was issued. I'll tell you just half a minute. While your lordship was in the circuit, the last or the day to respond was 8th of September.
Then this situation may be different.
That is, Millard, my case, that this is a title dispute which the estate officer has no jurisdiction.
Is it not available? The state officer cannot determine its own jurisdiction.
But in a title dispute,
First of all, what is the next date before the state officer?
we have prayed for an adjournment, Millard. The next date has, I'm told, not yet fixed. But I'm sure, Millard, the moment where the court closes, I'll get a hearing date.
I don't
Well,
think
last
so.
year the same thing happened.
I
Last
don't
year
think
the
the same thing happened.
We had to move the vacation.
Ask your junior to mention it in presence of the
Notice
Well,
bring them before me. Take the pain of mentioning that.
But I'll
front
mention
of
it
them.
tomorrow once.